show you guys how I pack for a business trip. Sorry, everything looks really bad right now. But I also, when I know I'm packing for a business trip, this one's a little special because I am going to Pennsylvania a little bit early, and then the family is coming at the end of this week to meet me out there. So I'm flying one way and then they're driving to meet me there. We are gonna hit up a little bit of Hershey Park, the chocolate factory, I think it's called. And on our way back or around there, we are also gonna go up to Niagara Falls and then head back home by sometime next week. But I wanted to show you guys just real quick how I pack myself just to carry on, and then I will show you also how I've done a little pre-packing for the kids, just to lessen the stress on my husband, who is still gonna be working like 50, 60 hours this week. So let me show you that right now. All right, guys, so here we are, just on my bed. So I have already pretty much packed everything I need for my trip. I snagged one of the kids' pillows because I totally misplaced mine. I might find it before I go, but this is one of the kids' pillows, neck pillows. I actually found these really at a like $4.99. Sometimes these things are outrageous, and if you guys remember one of my last vlogs, I talked about how expensive these things were. I don't know why they're so expensive, but I think I found these at Menards, which is just like a home houseware construction store, for like $5. So, also I do like the roll technique for most of my clothes, just so I can get a lot in a little. So I've got some shorts. I want to say that I've got 10 days worth of stuff in this carry-on, okay? So, because part of it's business, part of it's family trip, I've kind of mixed and matched my style. So I've got like a more laid back kind of tattered shirt, and then I've got a nicer shirt here just for meeting with people and hanging out at the conference and taking classes. And then we're having a sports night, so I've got my Cubs shirt because it is a sports photography conference. So I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shirts there. And then over here I have shirts that are stacked with tank tops, like a shirt that needs a tank top under it. So I think I have 4 more here. So 10 total. I have a couple of extra here, and then you can see how I roll my jeans. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of jeans, a couple pairs of shorts, and then I use these shoe bags. Everybody in my family has a shoe bag because that's disgusting to throw your shoes, your dirty shoes, in on top of your clothes. Shoes have so many germs. So these shoe bags I found on Amazon. I will link these for you in the description below, but these are awesome. So we have 5 or 6 of these. So I think there was 2 different sizes. My husband has a bigger size so that they fit his shoes better, but you can see I fit in my slip-ons from my local store, and then my flip-flops, I put them bottom sides next to each other, just to lessen all that. And then in here I have just this is an oils container, but I just take rollers with me. So I have Tranquility, Deep Relief for sore muscles, and then a couple that I pre-made myself. So one is like just for like stress and anxiety, and then because I hate flying. And then this other one, I have to smell them. One is for stress and anxiety. One is like a citrus scent, so it makes you feel happy and joyful. And then Thieves is really great for germs. Deep Relief is just for sore muscles because I'll be walking around at this conference just to roll her on, and then Tranquil just makes you feel chill and relaxed. Face wipes, undergarments are in there. Let's see if I can get this thing back in here. And I leave everything kind of loose because I swear my bag gets checked every time. So I'm gonna unzip this side for you. So on this side, I've got more undergarments, a couple of sweaters, flat iron for the hair, and then pajamas. And then I always bring my own pillowcase too for hotels. And then I've got some joggers, tank top, and a zipper hoodie just for the hotel. And then the only thing I'm waiting for now is my socks to dry in the dryer. Oh, and then this is just a toiletry bag. Like headscarf, shower cap, headbands, makeup. What else is in here? And then I put everything, like this is my face wash, in clear containers so that they can see those. That's just lotion. It looks really weird. And then I've got face cream in there also. And then just whatever makeup. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, but yeah. So I will show you guys the kids bag next. All right, so here is what I've packed for my kids because they are road tripping out to Pennsylvania to meet me there. Every kid has a little basket because I won't be with them on the way there. They can spread out a little bit in our 3 rows of seating. We drive a Chevy Traverse, so there's a nice amount of space for them. Boys can sit in the middle if they want, Anna can sit in the back, whatever they want to do. So what I've packed is everybody gets a neck pillow. The one kid, I'm looking for the missing neck pillow still. And then everybody gets a blanket. So pillow, blanket, and then everybody's got a basket, and I kind of know which kind of snacks they like. So like Georgie and Caden like the same kind of vitamin water, but Georgie likes this kind of candy and Caden likes a different kind of candy. Same with granola bars. I know who likes which kind, which actually now that I'm looking at this, that's supposed to go there, that's supposed to go there. And then Anna's basket is basically the same. She likes a different kind of vitamin water. She likes cashews. The boys will get a couple packs of peanuts. There is some cereal, some gluten-free granola bites, regular granola bars, fruit snacks, and drinks. And this is just so it can lessen the stress. Like if I'm driving somewhere with them alone, these baskets are absolutely necessary. I usually do it every time, no matter if me and my husband are together or not, because they will ask you for something every 2 freaking seconds, like without a doubt. So I always pack that, and then this bin can just sit by the front seat. This is like the extra stuff if they run out. It's nice too because then they can just have these baskets in the hotel in case there's like a late night and we need a snack, we're not near anything or whatever. They can have those extra snacks. And then I've got a couple extra vitamin waters, and then this is that Pirate Booty stuff. We love that. So I pack a lot of that. And then Cheez-Its, extra Cheez-Its. Everybody had Cheez-Its in their basket. And then in this basket is just kind of like stuff we use road tripping and hotel. So this is a laundry bag here. It depends on how long the road trip is. Like this stuff is usually all together. A couple of ponchos, laundry detergent, lint roller, bug spray, a little bit of first aid stuff here, Neosporin, some cleansing foam, wet wipes just for messes, paper towels for messes. And this bin, you guys, is just from the dollar store. It's same as this one. Dollar store. Go to the Dollar Tree. And then things that we don't want to forget. Caden uses some Zarbee's to help with sleep. And then I use, sorry if you can't see it, this is CBD oil for, me and Caden use this. I use it for like joints and sleep because I'm a horrible sleeper, and then he uses it for anxiety. So we don't want to forget those. What else? Oh, last thing, we don't know how much walking and hiking or walking or whatever we're gonna be doing. So we always pack, these are just like their, what are these things called? Tie backpack thingies, I don't know what they're called. Georgie's got a pretty nice one. That's from 31 Bags. Anna uses this emoji one. And then Caden just got one that was from like a trade show or something. But we pack those. And yeah, that is about it. I will get back with you guys when I'm headed to the airport. I leave tomorrow afternoon. I'll probably pop in my workout. On here, I'm probably gonna hit the gym in the morning before going, and then yeah, and we'll be on our way. I'm excited to share with you guys this trip of work and family all together. See you guys later. Bye. What's up, guys? So I am at the airport, and my flight was supposed to leave at 6:07, and it's delayed now to 6:50. That's not horrible. I can kind of sit and do a little bit of work, but so it's been an interesting day. I kind of woke up. I wanted to go to the gym. I hate flying, so I wonder if that's had a lot to do with like my stress level and whatever, but kids didn't let me go to the gym this morning, so I cried in the closet, and then I changed my clothes. I got back out of my gym clothes, and then I kind of ran, waited for my husband to get back, finished packing up my stuff, and then I ran some errands. I dropped some stuff off at the Goodwill. I went and got my nails painted. But yeah, I was stressing out a little bit, but we almost ran out of gas on the way here. But we found a gas station in time, and then I pull up, and so I have a carry-on, and it has like that 2-inch extender, but I never actually used that, but I totally needed it today, because when I got here, I had my purse, and in my purse I had like snacks, and I had snacks, I had my wallet, I had, you know, chargers and cords and stuff like that. And the lady goes, you need to consolidate some of that. So I'm like, damn it. So, and it's funny because even when I got out of the car, George was like, how are you going to get on with 3 bags? And I was like, oh, you know, I upgraded for a carry-on, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, so I managed to consolidate everything that was in my purse between my camera bag and my carry-on. So, yeah, so we're just waiting right now to board, and then it's about an hour and something flight, and we will be in Pittsburgh. So, be back later. Bye. have arrived. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Oh. It is 10:58 here in Pittsburgh. I am checked in at the DoubleTree, Cranberry Township. I Ubered it from the airport, and we had a super, if you saw the footage before this, landing was a little rough. It was windy on takeoff in Chicago, windy on landing in Pittsburgh. Super, super foggy, kind of a little bit rainy weather here. So, but I'm here. I need to find something to eat, and then I'm going to cull some images from 2 family sessions and a baseball all-star game, and then I'm going to bed because I have a jumpstart class at 8 o'clock in the morning, and if you guys know me, I hate mornings. So we shall see you in the morning. Good night.